If you are looking for the best dog seat belt, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Vastar 2-Packs Dog Seat Belt. Vastar currently enjoys the trust of many dog owners today because of its rather simple yet effective design coupled with 6 colorful designs to choose from and a good price to boot. The Vastar car restraints for dogs come with heavy-duty hardware to help secure your pooch while on the move, including zinc allow clips that swivel 360 degrees for optimum movement for your dog. Unfortunately, you will have to find a suitable body harness to go with the Vastar to make the whole system complete. It has durable metal buckles. Number 2. Pawaboo Dog Safety Seat Belt. Pawaboo is already a combination of a dog harness for car and seat belt. It turns out to be an even better deal. The Pawaboo includes a super comfy, fully padded harness that is designed to be extra wide to allow for the more efficient distribution of impact forces and help minimize injuries to your pet's internal organs. The closures are designed for easy on, easy off applications, while the 100% Oxford polyester fabric construction gives it exceptional comfort for your pooch. It comes in 10 color designs. It has an adjustable strap with a quick release buckle. Number 3. BWOGUE 2-Packs Dog Seat Belt. BWOGUE 2-Packs Dog Cat Safety Seat Belt is another good option for you. This belt is made from top-quality nylon with a zinc alloy swivel snap and buckles. You can adjust the belt between 18 and 30 inches depending on the size of your four-legged friend. It has nylon straps that can be easily attached and removed from your headrest. The straps are tangle-free to stop this from being an issue either. It also has the useful extra feature of being convertible into a traditional leash if you should need it. Number 4. SlowTon Dog Seat Belt. SlowTon Dog Car Harness Plus Connector Strap is a highly popular option. It comes in a breathable mesh chest style, which is breathable enough for your dog to feel comfortable. The durable nylon strap is fully adjustable for the vehicle that you are driving, and your dog too. The harness is very easy to use. All your dog needs to do is step inside. There are 4 areas of adjustment, so you can ensure that your pup feels entirely comfortable before hitting the road. Number 5. Kurgo Seatbelt Tether for Dogs. Kurgo Direct-to Seatbelt Tether for Dogs is another best option for you. This broad dog tether is strong enough to keep your furry friend in place while you are driving, stopping them from bouncing all over the car. You simply need to attach it to your dog's harness, and it is compatible with any design. The tether is a universal fit for the majority of vehicles, and it can be extended as needed. If anything should go wrong, there is a Kurgo lifetime guarantee backing you up.